Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how to fix the problem if your iPhone is ringing very quietly. So the background is recently I gave an iPhone 10 to my dad. He has it in one of these foldable cases and I always have the volume up full on everything because he's hard of hearing. About a week later he said that he can't hear the phone ringing. Sometimes it rings very quiet and I thought, what's going on here? Well, it's to do with something called attention aware, which by default is on the iPhones. And basically what it is to stop you getting startled if you're using the phone. But in his instance, I think he had the phone down on the side, but he just had the case open, or maybe he was listening to music. Whatever it was, he couldn't hear the phone. I've turned off attention aware and now it's working absolutely fine. So I'm just going to give you an example of when attention aware is on. So we're just going to ring in now and you'll be able to hear the difference between it being on and off. So right now it's ringing and it's loud. Well, there you go. Did you hear there? See, it's gone quiet. Because the phone's on, it's gone quiet, and he wouldn't be able to hear that. So now we're going to turn off attention aware, and you'll see that even when the phone's on here, it will still be loud. So what we need to do is we need to go into settings, and we need to go down to where it says Face ID and passcode. Going to enter in your passcode. I'm just doing that off camera. And then we need to go down to where it says attention aware features, and we're just going to turn that off. Now if we go back here and if we ring again, you will hear that it won't drop in volume like it did that time where it gave one ring and then dropped. It will stay loud the whole time. Yeah, so you can see there's no drop in volume. So you see there that it's much louder when attention aware is off. Now I don't know, was it because the phone was on? Maybe it sensed movement of my hand, or it recognised my face as I leant over. Maybe in my dad's instance it's because he has a cover on it, and when it's uncovered it knows the phone's in use. But whatever the reason, if you're having problem hearing it, try turning attention aware off and you might find it solves your problem. Thanks for watching.